home not alone. Today is a special day for Woof Woofs. Mom and Dad go to see the play with Mom's music in it. Bagel and Brush will stay at home with Grandpa and Grandma. This is going to be one fine evening. Bagel, Brush, me and Dad go to see a play tonight. And you stay with Grandpa and Grandma.
Hooray! Will Grandpa tell us a bedtime story?
Of course.
And will you kiss us goodnight?
I'll kiss you when you're asleep.
Why can't we see that play?
Because you can only see plays for kids. We do it some other time. This play is for grown-ups only.
By the way, Grandpa and Grandma will get you fresh milk
Woohoo!
so you can make yourselves honey milkshakes.
That's so cool! We'll make you some too! Woof woof, hey!
Loud.
Put the milk in the cooler deck and clothe the lead family. And what about honey? Should we take it?
Don't worry, Granny. Let's get going. We can't be late. There's little gas left in the car, so we'll get some on the way. I never understood those ties. So many shapes, so many forms. How am I supposed to pick the right one?
Come on, Dad. Mom always said that fashion repeats itself. Just pick whichever you like most. Whoa, this one looks like my bib. And this one looks like my ribbons. Whoa, hold on, Dad. There is a butterfly on your neck. I'll go get a scoop. Don't worry, won't go anywhere. It's not a real butterfly. It's a kind of tie. It goes pow towel.
Yes? Hello? Oh dear. Yes, sure. I'll be right away. Kids, they'll stay here alone for a while. Not a problem. Okay, I'll be in a jiffy.
Hey, what happened?
Grandpa ran out of gas. They got stuck. And now we can't go to the theater. I have to drive up to get them some gasoline.
Dad, and what about us?
Good question. Can you guys stay here alone for half an hour?
Of course we can.
I'll be right back.
Don't worry, Dad. We'll behave. Oh, yeah. Catching. Oh, Mommy.
No way. This is a bad idea.
Should we go all together?
Good thinking, Bagel. Hop on in.
Hooray! Hello, Granny. Hello, Grandpa. Thank God you're here. I was worried the milk would go bad. Hello. We missed you so much.
My fault. Should be more careful next time. That's fine. Okay. Ready, Freddies?
And I'll be the first. Oh, it was really busy night.
Good thing you were right on time for the play.
Oh, yes. How was the play?
It was great. Mommy's song was a hit.
And our daddy looked gorgeous in his bow tie. How were the kids? Were they nice?
They were great. We had fun and then they went to sleep right away. It was a wonderful eve.
Oh, yes. You don't get bored around the Woof Woofs, you don't.
Lovely day! The new car. Today the Woof Woofs go to the park. But trouble seemed to follow them from the very morning.
Looks like this is it.
What happened?
Our poor car broke down.
Can we fix it somehow?
Nope, I'm afraid not.
Well, then we should probably buy a new one.
Yeah! Yay!
Okay then, let's get ourselves a new car.
Great!
Woof woof, hey!
Holiday! But what about our old car?
Don't Don't worry, we will recycle it.
What's that?
It's when they take the old car apart and then melt its parts to make a new, modern, eco-friendly one.
Ooh. Whoa. Oh, wow. So many cars. Great. Let's see. Look, let's buy this one. It's so bright and shiny and beautiful. Are you kidding? Dad doesn't want this car. It's girly. But I want it so badly. It's a dream. Wow! Look here. It's so cool. Let's buy this one.
Oh, whoopsie.
Ouch!
Oh no. Oh my, we should buy this car. It's nice and pretty. Don't you agree? I would sure like to try it out myself. This is nice.
I know! This one here is a win-win! This car is a dream!
How are we supposed to pick the right one? Yeah, we all like different cars.
I know! Maybe Mr. Salesman can help us out.
I'll go find him. Hello, sir.
Good day, sir.
Our family wants to buy a car, but we can find the right one. Can you help?
I think I know what you need. Follow me. This
Awesome.
car is great! How do you like it, Sam?
Oh, I love it. Guys,
Yay!
Good! Let's get this one then.
This car is so cool. It's so good we picked this one.
yes, kids. How about we take a little trip sometime soon?
I'm in.
Woof, woof, hey!
Lovely day.